It is great to have you here. This video is about how Mr. P gets on page 1 of YouTube search in under an hour without spending any money. If that interests you, stay with me for your bonus, which is another way to make money from home. Before we get to how Mr. P makes this happen, let's take a quick peek at this process in action. What you see here is a recent video that Mr. P published on this channel. Notice that the tags are all green. This is what the tags would normally look like, except for the buttons that say, Show Search Rankings, and Copy To. These buttons are showing up as a result of a free suite of tools for your YouTube channel called TubeBuddy. You will find a link to TubeBuddy below. We will talk more about it shortly. When you install TubeBuddy, the buttons below the tags will show up. When you click on Show Search Rankings, any of the tags that are on page 1 will have a green box with a number. The number is the position where the video will show up. Notice that all 18 keyword phrases or tags are on page 1. Page 1 is awesome, especially in less than an hour and without spending any money. I also want you to notice the position of all but the last keyword. What makes this so remarkable is that when your video shows up on page 1, it automatically gets a lot more exposure, and when it is at or near the top, it has an excellent chance of getting clicked. I asked you to notice the position, because getting your videos on page 1 is great, and getting your videos to end up in the top spots is going to really boost your channel. Allow me to share another peek at a new channel, with just a handful of videos. As you see, every keyword is on page 1. Let's see what Mr. P is doing, so that you can do the same for your channel. How Mr. P gets on page 1 is by using one of the free tools that TubeBuddy provides. It is called Keyword Explorer. After installing TubeBuddy, you will see a TubeBuddy icon near the top right of your window. Click on the icon and then click on Keyword Explorer. Type in your keyword or keyword phrase and hit Explore. TubeBuddy will now do all the heavy lifting. It will balance the search volume, the competition, and your keyword strength to give you an overall score. Mr. P shoots for relative keywords that score in the green. When he is happy with the overall score, he can click on the button that says Action. Now he can add to his project, copy it to his clipboard, or insert it into the video. That is it. That's all there is to it. Getting on page 1 is simple, easy, straightforward, and free. If you like this video so far, if you are finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn the like button black. Thank you. If this is the kind of content that interests you, I invite you to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell, so the Mr. P can let you know each time a new video is published. Back to our video. This brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is a way to earn money from the comfort of your home. You can make over $10,000 per month in the next 3 to 4 months. You will find a link in the description, where it says, Start Here. Click the link and Mr. P will send you the details. If you have not yet given this video a like, please do not forget to do that, and allow me to invite you, once again, to join this channel so you do not miss any videos. Mr. P and I are rooting for you. We wish you much success. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.